Hello dear children, a very warm welcome to the English class. I am sure you all are good, you all are happy, healthy and safe in your homes and enjoying the classes at the same time from home. घर से classes attend करना, I am sure you all are enjoying. घर से आप आराम से लेट के भी क्लास अटेंड करते हो, आप आराम से खाते खाते क्लासेस अटेंड करते हो, सारा वर्क घर पे करते हो. सो आई एम श्योर यू आर हैविंग अ गुड टाइम एंड यू आर लाइकिंग दिस डिफरेंट वे ऑफ टीचिंग. ये बिल्कुल जो हम रेगुलर स्कूल में टीचिंग करते हैं उससे बिल्कुल ये अलग है. ये इट इज एंटायरली डिफरेंट. ऐसे तो कभी भी ना हमने पढ़ाया था, ना कभी आपने क्लासेस अटेंड किया था. बट अभी सिचुएशन ऐसी है दैट वी डू नॉट हैव एनी अदर चॉइस. स्कूल जा नहीं सकते, क्लासेस चलनी ही है, पढ़ाई तो होनी ही है. सो दिस इज द ओनली वे आउट. सो आई एम श्योर यू ऑल आर enjoying it, you all are liking this way of teaching and whatever is being taught in the class, ऑनलाइन क्लास में जो भी पढ़ा रहे हैं, जो भी यूट्यूब पे हम वीडियोस अपलोड करते हैं, आई एम श्योर वो आप लोग देखते हो और आपको वो समझ में आता है. चिल्ड्रन डू वॉच द वीडियोस बिकॉज दे आर लाइक योर क्लासरूम टीचिंग ओनली. आप देखोगे इनिशियली हो सकता है उतना मजा नहीं आए, बट लेटर यू विल डेफिनेटली एंजॉय देम बिकॉज आपको लगेगा कि सामने आपकी मैम या सर खड़े होके पढ़ा रहे हैं. Okay, so I'm sure you all are ready for the class, looking forward to attend the class. So let us begin the class. We are doing unit 6, that is use of is, am and are. In English, we are doing English grammar. I have already explained where do we use is, where do we use am and where do we use are. Before starting the exercises, I will just do the revision part. एक बार revision का part revision करके and then we will start the exercises. Okay? Use of is, am and are. Where is used? Is used with all the singular nouns. That is सिंगुलर नेमिंग वर्ड. सिंगुलर नाउन्स है सिंगुलर नेमिंग वर्ड्स जिनको बोलते हैं. ठीक है, सिंगुलर नाउन्स के साथ यूज होती है. देन वी यूज इज विथ द वर्ड्स विच आर यूज्ड इन प्लेस ऑफ सिंगुलर नाउन्स. सिंगुलर नाउन्स की जगह जो वर्ड्स यूज होते हैं जैसे ही, शी, इट. ठीक है, इन वर्ड्स के साथ भी हम इज यूज करते हैं. ही, she, it. Then is also used when we wish to show something. कोई चीज हमारे पास है उसे हमें दिखाना है तो we say this. And if something is far from us, if it is far away from us, then we say that. तब हम that use करते हैं. So with this and that also is used. इसका मतलब होता है. ठीक है. My name is Rohit is my friend. Jaya is a good girl. रोहित मेरा दोस्त है. जया अच्छी लड़की है. ठीक है, सिंगुलर. So we use is with, in your book also you can see, we use is with all the singular nouns. He, she, it, this and that. ठीक है, all the singular nouns, whether it is the name of any person, any place, anything, किसी भी चीज का नाम हो. If any naming word is repeated and if we are using he, she or it in place of those naming words, उसके साथ भी हम is use करते हैं. And then is used with this and that. If something is near us, we say this is a book. And if something is far from us, we say that is a tree. ठीक है, इन वर्ड्स के साथ हम is use करते हैं. am is used only with I. am का कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है. am को हम सिर्फ I के साथ यूज करते हैं. I am when we talk about ourselves. am is used only with I. am हम किसी और के साथ यूज करते नहीं है. he, she, it, this, that, we, they, किसी के साथ am नहीं यूज होता है. am is used only with I. I am when we are talking about ourselves. I am a girl. Okay? I am 6 years old. I am very tall. I am happy today. So when we use I, when we talk about ourselves, then we say I am. So I am is used only with I. ठीक है? So am का कोई confusion ही नहीं है. Am is used when a person tells about himself or herself. कोई भी जब अपने बारे में बताता है, then we say I am. Like in your book, you can see I am Sania. I am 6 years old. I am a good student. I am smart. I am swimming. I am happy. Okay? And then is, am, and third is are. Are is used with plural nouns. Is used with plural nouns, and are is used with, is used with singular nouns, and are is used with plural nouns. We, you, they, these and those. ठीक है? And are जब प्लूरल में हैं. These are children. ये बच्चे हैं. These are my books. ये मेरी किताबें हैं. जब हम प्लूरल में लिखते हैं, हिंदी में भी जब बहुवचन में लिखते हैं, तो हम वहां पे बिंदी लगाते हैं. So are is used with all the plural nouns. ठीक है? Name of any person, anything जो plural naming words होते हैं. And plural में जैसे singular में हम naming words के रिपीट होने पे ये वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं. he, she and it. In plural we use we, you and they if the naming word is repeated. अगर naming word बार बार रिपीट हो रहे हैं, तो in place of naming words we use we, you or they. This thing we have done, this part we have done in main course book also. Rohan and Nitin are friends. They have come to Goa to meet their friend. They have a house on the sea beach. ठीक है? तो we, when we talk about ourselves, जैसे जब हम सिंगुलर में बात करते हैं तो हम I यूज करते हैं, I am. And when we talk in plural, जैसे हम अभी जैसे मैं अगर अकेली हूं तो I से I am. हिंदी में जैसे बोलते हैं मैं. But if there is someone else with me, अगर मेरे साथ और भी टीचर्स हैं, then I will not say I. Then I will say we, हम लोग. ठीक है? तो सारे अगर मैं टीचर्स की बात कर रही हूं, if I am saying I, that means I am talking about myself. But if I say we, that means I am talking about all the teachers. So for naming words, for plural nouns, we use are, and we, you and they. You, when I am talking to the second person, you का मतलब है second person. जब मेरे सामने कोई है, मैं उससे बात कर रही हूँ, so that is you. Where were you yesterday? ठीक है? तुम कल कहाँ थे? And then they. He, she and it is third person. When the person is not there. जब वो person वहां पे नहीं है, हम उसके बारे में बात करते हैं, that is third person. He is a good boy. Ram has not come to school today. Ram is absent today. He is very good in studies. ठीक है? So when we talk about someone else, some third person who is not present there, उनके लिए हम he या she यूज करते हैं. Okay? And when if it is in plural, ये तो he and she तो हम singular के लिए यूज करते हैं. If it is in plural, then we use they. They have not come to school today. Rohan and Neetu are brother and sister. They have not come to school today. रोहन और नीतू भाई बहन है, वो आज स्कूल नहीं आए हैं. They have not come to school today. So I am talking about someone who is not present, जो वहां पे नहीं है. Okay? So this is the difference between is, am and are. And like for singular thing which is near us, we use this. जब कोई एक चीज है तो हमारे पास है तो हम this यूज करते हैं, दूर है तो that यूज करते हैं. This is a book, that is a tree. And for are is used for plural. These are my books. These are my crayons. And those are trees. ठीक है, जब कोई चीज दूर है, प्लूरल में है तो हम those यूज करते हैं, सिंगुलर है तो that, and plural है तो those. And if for something which is near us, for singular we use this, and for plural we use these. Okay? So I'm sure by now the concept of is, am and are is clear. And is, am and are, these are known as helping verbs. Okay? Is, am and are, these three are known as helping verbs. Now look here. These are three words. तो मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ? These are. Is, am and are helping words. These are helping words. ये helping verbs हैं. Is a helping verb. Am is a helping verb. Are is a helping verb. जब मैं तीनों के बारे में अलग अलग बात कर रही हूँ तो I am using is. Is a helping verb. Am is a helping verb. And are is a helping verb. But when I talk about all the three together, is, am and are helping verbs. These are helping verbs. Okay? So I'm sure this is clear to you now. We will start with the exercises now. First is fill in the blanks. Of course, we have done this, but we will still do it again. हमारा revision हो जाएगा. Fill in the blanks with correct options. मतलब two options are given. You have to fill in the blank with the correct option. Fruits, first I will write all the sentences, okay? I watching a movie. My father driving our car. We in the library. Children climbing a tree. Now, okay. Now let us do this. First is fruits good for the health? Is or are? Here it is fruits, plural hai. So with plural naming words we use are. So fruits are good for health. Then I watching a movie. I के साथ तो मैंने बताया था, there is absolutely no doubt. I के साथ with I we always use am. I के साथ कुछ और यूज होता ही नहीं है. I is, I are, nothing. I am. With I only am is used. So I am watching a movie. Then my father. Father will always be singular. Papa तो एक होते हैं. Father will be singular naming word. So my father is driving our car. Then we in the library. we के साथ मैंने क्या बताया था? we मतलब हम लोग. जब आप सिर्फ अपने बारे में बात करोगे then it is I. But when you are talking about the whole class then it is we. So we are. We are in the library. And children climbing a tree. Children is the past form of the word child. Child is climbing a tree. If only one child is there, then the child is climbing a tree. And since here it is children, which is a plural noun, so children are climbing a tree. Children is the past tense of, children is the plural form of the word child. We have done one and many, singular plural हमने किया. So we have done the words with s or es. हमने अभी वही वाले naming words किए हैं जिनमें we add s or es to make them plural. But there are some more rules. और भी थोड़े rules हैं plural बनाने के. One is कि कुछ words का क्या होता है, उसकी spelling पूरी change हो जाती है. Like child and children. Okay, so there are many words. अभी आप आगे के सीनियर क्लासेस में और पढ़ोगे. The next exercise is second is fill in the blanks with is, am or are. Is, am or are. Okay. Now first is my name Manu. Miss Preeti is my class teacher. I playing chess. You Samrat. Now the four sentences are my name Manu, Miss Preeti, my class teacher, I playing chess, and you Samrat. Now we have to fill in these blanks with is, am or are. So first is my name. जब हम अपने बारे में बताते हैं, that means we are talking in singular only. हम अपने बारे में बता रहे हैं, तो हम अपना ही नाम बता रहे हैं. So my name is Manu. Miss Preeti. Miss Preeti is again a singular naming word. So Miss Preeti is my class teacher. I playing chess. I के साथ without any doubt, बिना कुछ doubt किए, बिना कुछ सोचे, I के साथ हमें am ही use करना है. ठीक है ना, दैट इज यूनिवर्सल, उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं है. आई के साथ एम ही यूज करना है विदाउट एनी डाउट. सो आई एम प्लेइंग चेस एंड यू सम्राट. मैंने जब बताया था कि इसके साथ हम क्या क्या यूज करते हैं, एम इज आई के साथ, एंड वेयर इज आर यूज. आर इज यूज विथ प्लूरल नाउन्स एंड ऑल द प्लूरल हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स जो होते हैं उनके साथ हम एम यूज करते हैं. सो एम इज यूज विथ, आर इज यूज विथ यू, वी, दे. ठीक है ना. सो यू आर सम्राट. Then next is one, two, three, four. Fifth is these. My notebooks. These my notebooks. These के साथ मैंने क्या बताया था? With this and that we use is. And with these and those we use are. So these are my notebooks. Okay? These are my notebooks. ये मेरी notebooks हैं. ये मेरी copies हैं. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हम है बोल रहे हैं. ह पे बिंदी. ये मेरी कॉपी है और ये मेरी कॉपीज हैं. See the difference. कॉपी है and copies हैं. This is my notebook and these are my notebooks. Three more are left in this exercise. Sixth is it. My pet Bruno, they swimming, Sia and I good friends. It my pet Bruno. It के साथ मैंने क्या बताया था? With he, she and it we use this. It is my pet Bruno. ये मेरा पेट Bruno है. It is my pet. They swimming. You will have to remember children कि किसके साथ क्या यूज करना है, कौन सा हेल्पिंग वर्ड कहाँ पे यूज होगा. So are is used with plural nouns. प्लूरल के साथ are यूज होता है. तो they means बहुत सारे लोग. they is plural. So they are. अभी they में it can be 2, 3, 5, 10, 25 any number. They are swimming. वो लोग स्विमिंग कर रहे हैं. अभी they में कुछ भी हो सकता है. It is more than one. They, even if it is 2, it becomes they. One is he is swimming, she is swimming, and the moment both of them are swimming, अगर 2 swim कर रहे हैं, then also it is they. ठीक है? And Sia and I. Sia and I means Sia और मैं. तो कितने लोग हो गए? Sia और मैं मिला के there are 2 people. So Sia and I are good friends. Okay? Now next is look at the picture. There is a picture in the book. Look at the picture using is, am, are. ठीक है, ये पिक्चर देख करके आपको ये लाइंस कंप्लीट करनी है. यूजिंग इज, एम एंड आर. This a beautiful picture. The sun shining, many birds flying, children playing, a lady reading a book, a farmer feeding a cow. We will do half of the picture today, half we will do in the next class, okay? You have to fill in the blanks using is, am और are. Is, am and are को use करके blanks को fill करना है. This a beautiful picture. This के साथ क्या use करते हैं? This and that we use is, and here we are talking about a beautiful picture. A beautiful picture मतलब एक beautiful picture है. तो एक that means it is a singular noun. We are talking about one picture, so it is this is. And as such with this we use is, this is. ये एक सुंदर सी picture है. The sun shining. Sun will always be singular क्योंकि sun तो एक ही होता है. Sun तो 2, 3, 4, 5 नहीं हो सकते. The stars are twinkling because there are many stars, millions of stars in the sky. So stars are twinkling, but sun is only one, moon is only one. So the sun is shining. Many birds flying. Now many birds. Firstly, सबसे पहले क्या है? Many, one and many. Many का मतलब भी plural है. Then many birds. This also is plural. Many birds. बहुत सारी birds. So plural के साथ हम क्या लगाते हैं? We use are with plural. So many birds are flying. Children. Again, children is the plural form of the word child. Child is singular. Child is playing. But here it is children. That means plural form. So children are playing. बच्चे खेल रहे हैं. A lady reading a book. A lady. Here a is used. A का मतलब भी हुआ one. And lady is singular. Lady means singular. So a lady is reading a book. And a farmer. Again, the word a is used here. A means one. A farmer. एक farmer. A farmer is. So again, a का मतलब ये a use हुआ है. That means it is singular. And farmer. Farmer is again singular. इसका plural क्या होगा? Farmers. So a farmer is feeding a cow. Feeding मतलब खिलाना. Feed का मतलब है खिलाना. A farmer is feeding a cow मतलब एक farmer cow को खिला रहा है. So children, half of the picture we have done today, half we will do in the next class. So always remember, is used with singular nouns. He, she, it, and this and that. Am is used only with I. Am का use कहीं और नहीं है, only with I. And are is used with plural nouns. Then we, you, they, these and those. Is, am and are known as helping verbs. So I will stop today, children. Thank you so much.